Hey gang, if you're new here, my name is Tandy, and if you want to see how I got this bombshell ponytail inspired by none other than Teaira Walker herself, then just keep on watching. So to start off, I just start combing through my nappy hair, as you can see, tragic. And I start using this extreme wetline gel. This is my first time using this gel, and I must say that I think I kind of like it more than Eco Styler. I don't know, if you guys have used this gel, let me know in the comments down below. I'm just going to use a soft bristle brush and start working that through my hair. That way it'll sort of help my hair lay as flat as possible. And then I'm going to, of course, start molding my hair into the ponytail at the right height that I want it to be. I did not press my hair prior to this because I felt like with these bundles it wasn't really necessary in my opinion. So I just put my hair in a ponytail and start braiding my ponytail. You guys, I remember when I cut off all my hair. Now I can actually braid a ponytail. What the heck? Goals. So yeah, after that's all said and done, and you can see my doo-doo braid, I take my gorilla snot and I just take a little bit of that and start working that through my hair. This is just going to make sure that everything stays in place and is prepped for the ponytail. I got like 5 to 7 days out of this ponytail. Next, I'm going to take my Evans 24-hour edge control. You guys know this is my absolute favorite. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. A lot of you guys, since my last video where my white friend did my hair, a lot of you guys were like, well, how do you actually do your edges? So I figured I might as well incorporate a little bit of edge action into this tutorial, because honestly, like, the edges will make the ponytail. And I can't really give too much of an explanation as to how I do it, but I hope that by you watching what I'm doing, it helps. I just put some of that edge control on my brush and swoop and tweaking it till I think that it looks presentable. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, like an actual video specifically for edges, let me know in the comments. I just wrap my scarf around just to kind of settle everything in, leave that scarf on for 10 minutes, and once everything is all dried and situated, I just take my HunnyBun Virgin Hair. This is just 3 bundles of their natural wave pattern. So if you're interested in purchasing these bundles, then just check out the link in my description box. For this hair look, I'm going to double the wefts, and I'm going to section off a small piece of the weft and attach it to the end of my actual braid, like my hair. And I'm just going to wrap that elastic tie around my hair and the bundle. This is going to ensure that, of course, it doesn't go anywhere, because we're not trying to have our tracks fall out at all. If you watch any of my Get Ready With Me's, you know, like, it's happened to your girl before. Actually, I did not use any bobby pins in this video, so to be honest, like, I was moving this hair a lot, if you know what I mean, and yeah, it didn't go anywhere, so I was quite pleased with this style. Shout out to Teaira Walker once again for the hair suggestion. Do you see this little part right here? Once everything is secured, I am just going to take that little piece, tuck it in, and wrap the rest of the bundle around the braid. Work my way up to the top of the braid. This first bundle that I am using is the 22-inch bundle. You want to make sure that you are using the longest bundle first, because that's gonna make sure that you get the most drippage out here. And we like to drip, honey. Yes. I'm just going to work that bundle all the way up to the top until I get to the very end and I can't wrap around anymore. And don't worry about those elastic hair ties, because once the ponytail is all said and done, you will not be able to see those thick black elastic hair ties. And once I do get to the top, I'm just going to take a small section of that bundle and wrap it around the base of my ponytail. and I'm going to make sure that I pull it tightly around that base of my ponytail, because again, I don't want the ponytail to slip. Again, I did not use any bobby pins in this ponytail. So I am just going to wrap it around and then tuck it into the base. Next, I am going to take the 20-inch bundle and repeat the same steps. Although this time I'm going to put the elastic tie on the ponytail first, and then feed in the small section of the bundle into the ponytail and start wrapping it around. I hope that you guys can see what I'm doing rather than just focusing on what I'm saying, because I am not the best at explaining things. I promise 2019 I will be better at explaining things in these tutorials. I mean, if you guys like tutorials like these, definitely make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I'll keep making hair tutorials, hair videos like this for you. I feel like this is kind of self-explanatory at this point, because I'm just doing the same thing I did with the first bundle and wrapping it around the ponytail until I get to the very top. And once I get to the top, doing the same thing again and wrapping that last little excess piece that can't go all the way around. I'm just wrapping it around the base, pulling it tight to ensure that the ponytail doesn't go anywhere. So with the third bundle, I'm just going to speed through this really quickly because I feel like it is rather redundant. I really overall thought that this ponytail came out super duper cute. The only difference with this last bundle, this is the 20-inch bundle, the only difference with this bundle is after I wrap around that last little excess piece to the base of my ponytail, you're still going to see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but you still can see some of the tracks. And we don't want to have tracks showing, honey, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take some hair from the back of the ponytail, and we're just going to wrap it around the base to kind of conceal, hide, whatever you want to call it, those tracks. At this point, my arms are extremely tired. It's late AF at night, and yeah, I'm just ready to like go to bed because I just wanted my hair done for work in the morning, you know? Again, no bobby pins were used in the making of this tutorial. Yeah. That's pretty much it. And I want to thank Teaira Walker for inspiring this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I thought that this ponytail came out so cute. It's super duper cute, I thought. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Hi! I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. You made it all the way to the end, so go ahead and share it with your friends. But before you do that, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.